Students, already we have studied about method of simplification. So we have to apply that method in this question. How to solve, how to simplify this question. So just to see this question, how many types of operations are there? First of all, see here, in 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6, bar is there. After that, subtraction is also there, here also subtraction, and then small bracket is there, curly bracket, division, and then big bracket is there. So just you apply that method, BODMAS in this question. So step by step you have to go. I will explain how to solve this question. According to that, you have to apply an exercise program. So just follow. First step is just write down big bracket as it is 3 1 upon 4 divide curly bracket 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 small bracket 2 1 upon 2. In this we have to solve first vinculum means bar. We have to solve this bar. So for solution in under having subtraction, subtraction is there. So for that we have to take LCM of 4 and 6. Just put here minus same as it is, and LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So just you write down here 12. After then, for making same denominator, we have to multiply for 4 3 are 12. So we have to multiply here 3. So 3 1 is 3 will come here minus, because here minus is there. So put here minus. And again 6 2 are 12. So we have to multiply here 2. So 2 will come. Then close small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket. After the next step, within this, just you remove this mixed fraction also together. So just write down as it is same, all statement is same. Just remove this mixed fraction. 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Divide curly bracket. Again remove this mixed fraction. 4 1 are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. Minus 1 upon 2 small bracket 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 upon 2, and after that just you subtract this 3 minus 2 1 will come, so 1 upon 12. So we have to complete it. Vinculum means bar operation is completed. Next step we have to follow, we have to solve small bracket, because we have to in bracket we have to solve small bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. So just write down same 13 upon 4 divide curly bracket 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Again in small bracket minus is there, so we have to take LCM of these denominator 2 and 12. So LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. After that we have to make same denominator here. For that 6 2 are 12 will come, so we have to multiply here 6. So 5 6 are 30 will come. Minus, because here minus is there, just put here minus, and here 12 is there, so 12 1 are 12. So no need to multiply, just multiply here 1. So 1 1 are 1 will come. Again close this small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket. Next, again we have to subtract 13 upon 4 divide curly bracket 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. In place if nothing is written here, now the time for removing this small bracket. So before small bracket nothing is there, means here multiplication will come. So multiply 30 minus 1, 21, 9 will come, 29 upon 12 will come. And now remove this small bracket, curly bracket will come, and big bracket will come. Next step we have to solve this under the curly bracket. Before that, in curly bracket also we have to follow priority order. First we have to do multiplication, then we will do subtraction. So big bracket write down as it is 13 upon 4 divide curly bracket, in curly bracket 5 upon 4 as it is will come. Now multiply here 1 into 29, 29 will come, and 2 into 12, 24 will come. Now curly bracket close, big bracket close. After that, in this both having subtraction, so we will take again LCM 4 and 24. So just write down next step 13 upon 4 as it is divide curly bracket. We have to take LCM 4 and 24. 24 will come LCM. After that we have to make same denominator here. So in 4 table 24 will come 6 times, so we have to multiply here 5 6 are 30. So 30 will come here and 24 same, so no need to multiply anything, 1 will come, 29 into 1 29, so minus 29, curly bracket close, big bracket close. After then we have to go for next step. So big bracket as it is will come 13 upon 4 divide. Now subtract this 30 minus 29, 1 will come, so 1 upon 24 big bracket will close. Now curly bracket is removed. Now we have to solve last step. Here in big bracket having division, so in place of division we have to put multiplication. For that we have to take reciprocal of this part, this fraction. So 13 upon 4 big bracket into 24 upon 1. After then we have to cancel, if any cancellation is there, so cancel out. So 4 6 24 will come. So by cancel out 6 and 1 here will come 13 6. After that we have to multiply this numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 13 6 will come 78 upon 1. So big bracket will remove. Final answer is 78. That's so. Means we have to follow this priority order, then you will get easily answer and correct answer. There will be no any confusion in this. You have to apply same method in the exercise problem. That's all.